This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain washing your refrigerator with water. First, always unplug your appliance to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove all food items, placing perishables in a cooler to keep them fresh. Then, take out all the removable shelves, drawers, and bins. These components can be washed separately, making the entire cleaning process much more manageable and thorough. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and effective clean. For the interior, a simple solution of warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap works wonders. Use a soft cloth or sponge to gently wipe down all internal surfaces, including the walls, ceiling, and floor. Don't forget those tricky crevices and door seals where crumbs often hide. After scrubbing, use a clean, damp cloth to thoroughly rinse away any soap residue, ensuring your refrigerator is sparkling clean and ready for food. Now, let's tackle the removable parts and exterior. Wash shelves and drawers in your sink with warm, soapy water, just like your dishes. For the exterior, a damp cloth with a little mild soap is perfect. Be careful around electrical parts. Don't forget to clean the condenser coils, usually at the back or bottom, with a vacuum or brush for efficiency. Finally, ensure everything is completely dry before putting it all back together. When cleaning, always remember a few key precautions. Never spray water directly onto any electrical components or vents, as this can cause damage or create a hazard. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, harsh chemicals, or sharp tools, which can scratch or harm surfaces. It's crucial that the entire refrigerator is completely dry before you plug it back in. Aim to clean your refrigerator thoroughly every 3 to 6 months to maintain optimal hygiene and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.